Hi there, welcome to edupediaworld.com. You're watching the videos on surface area and volume. So in this video again, we'll discuss some of the concepts and questions related to volume of cube and cuboid. So again, the questions are very important from the exam point of view. So you have to watch this part of the video very carefully. And we'll also discuss the questions, some of the questions which are related to very practical life. And you can see that how we can use the volume in practical situations. And so let's get started with the first question, which is question number 1. Now, the question says that a godown measures 40 meters by 25 meters and 15 meters, and we need to find the maximum number of wooden crates, each measuring 1.5 meter, 1.25 meters, and 0.5 meters that can be stored in a godown. So it's very interesting question. Let's say how we can solve this. Now, first of all, we need to write the dimensions. We can say that dimensions of godown are like this. So let's say we can say that the length is 40 meters, breadth is 25 meters, and height is 15 meters, right? So we can say that now volume of godown will be equals to length into breadth into height. So this will be 40 times 25 times 15 meter cube. So this is the volume of godown. Now let's say we can write dimensions of wooden crate, right? So let's say we can write it as length as 1.5 meter, breadth as 1.25 meters, height as 0.5 meters, right? So we can say that volume of one wooden crate will be equals to length into breadth into height, right? So this will come out to be 1.5 times 1.25 times 0.5, right? So this is the volume of one wooden crate. Now we can say that maximum number of wooden crates required will be volume of godown upon volume of one wooden crate, right? So this will be equals to 40 times 25 times 15 upon 1.5 times 1.25 times 0.5, right? Now when you solve this, the answer will come out to be 16,000. So this means we can say that the number of wooden crates required will be 16,000. So this is how we can use the concepts of volume to find the various type of practical questions. So this is how we can use the questions or concepts of volume in practical life. So let's discuss the next question, which is question number 2. Now the question says that a solid cube of 12 centimeter is cut into 8 cubes of equal volumes. What will be the side of a new cube? And we need to find the ratio between surface areas also. So let's say how we can solve this question, and it's a very interesting question. So you have to watch this question very carefully, right? So first of all, we need to write the dimensions. So dimensions of solid cube are, let's say, edge is given to be 12 centimeter, right? Now this means we can say that the volume of solid cube will be A cube, where A is edge of a cube, right? So we have used the notation. So we can say that, so this will be equals to 12 cube, so which is 12 times 12 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of a solid cube. Now this volume is cut into 8 equal cubes, right? So we can say that now, first of all, we need to write a formula. So we can say that volume of solid cube will be equals to 8 times the volume of small cube, right? So we can say that now volume of solid cube, which is 12 times 12 times 12, which is equals to 8 into volume of small cube. So we can write it as a cube, right? Because a is an edge of cube, it's a notation. So this means a cube will be equals to 12 times 12 times 12 upon 8. So this will 2 4s are 2 6, 2 2s are 2 6, 2 1s are 2 6. So this means we have volume of small cube as 6 times 6 times 6. Now if you can infer that a cube is 6 times 6, so we can say that edge of small cube will be 6 centimeter, right? So we have an edge of small cube as 6 centimeter. Now next part is we need to find the ratio between the surface area. So it's again a very important question. Now so we can say that surface area of solid cube is 4 a cube, let it be a cube, big A, upon surface area of small cube will be equals to 4 small a cube. So this and this will get cancelled. So this will be a upon small a, the whole cube, right? Now over here, sorry, that's a square. It's 4a square, right? Now so this will be small big A. So big A is an edge of a solid cube. So this will be 12 upon small a is edge of a small cube. So this will be 6 whole square. So this will come out to be 6 1s are 6 2s are. So this will be 2 upon 1 whole square. So which is 4:1. So this is the ratio, or we can say that the ratio of surface areas is 4:1. So this is how we can use the concepts of volume or surface area to find and to solve any type of question. Now let's discuss the next question, which is question number 3, and it's also a last question of this video. Now the question says that a river 3 meter deep and 40 meter wide is flowing at a rate of 2 km per hour. How much water will fall into the sea in a minute? So it's a very interesting question. Let's see how we can do this. So first of all, we need to write the dimensions. So dimensions are, let's say it's a 3 meter deep, means height is 3 meter, and 40 meter wide. So this means width is 40 meter. Now what about length? So you have to be very careful over length over here. It's given that it's flowing at the rate of 2 kilometers per hour. This means the length is the flow rate. We can say that it's flowing at the rate of 2 kilometers per hour. So we can take this length because we have to find how much water will fall into the sea in a minute. So this means how much water will flow through a length in a minute. We can say like that, right? Now, however, it's given per hour, so we need to calculate per minute, right? So we can say that if it's 2 kilometers, so this will be 2000 meters, right? Why? Because in 1 kilometer we have 1000 meters and it's per hour, so we can say that per 60 minutes, right? So this means it will come out to be 2000 upon 60 meters per minute. So this means this and this will cancel. So this will be 2 3s are 200. So it is 100 by 3 meters per minute, right? So this is the length. Now we need to find how much water. So this means we need to find the volume. So we can say that the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, and we'll use the volume of cuboid. Why? Because the river is in the shape of a cuboid, because when you see the river like this, so it's actually a kind of cuboid because it has a length, breadth and the depthness, right? Now, or we can say that amount of water that will fall into a sea per minute will be equals to length, which is 100 by 3, it's a flow rate, right, into breadth, which is 40, into height, which is 3. So this and this will cancel. So it will be 4000 meter cube. So this is how we can use the concepts of volume or flow rate to solve any type of questions, right? So thank you once again for watching this video on edupediaworld.com. Keep watching further videos. Have a nice day.